Welcome to IELTS with Toye. IELTS is more than just an exam. It is a gateway to fulfilling your dreams and unlocking your full potential. It is globally recognized and accepted by over 11,000 organizations and around 140 countries around the globe, providing you with access to life-changing opportunities that can transform your future. With IELTS, you can apply to several international colleges and universities of your choice, aids career progression, makes relocation easier and more accessible than ever before. And that's just the beginning. IELTS offers a wealth of benefits and opportunities that can make your dreams come true. Your IELTS journey toward success begins with us.